Good morning. We're at the Phinizy Nature Park in northeast Georgia, bordering South Carolina. So we're gonna hike this trail today. It's gonna be 30 minutes trail, maybe less, maybe more. I don't know what to expect. If I find something of interest, as always, I will share it with you. Catch you later. Today's a cool day. It's around 50 degrees. And there are a lot of people in today. There's a lot of families in here. As you hear in the background, there's a lot of families. That's why I keep my voice low. So folks come in. Again, it's a really cool day. Cool in all the sense of the word, in temperature, in terms of weather as well. It's really nice. Really nice. No mosquitoes. That means no mosquitoes. That means no high humidity. It's typical for this type of swamps. You would expect this in South Georgia, not northeast Georgia. But here we are. It's a swamp near South Carolina border, near the town of Columbia. We have a visitor center here. It looks that to be closed. No, it's open. We'll find out soon. Yeah, as I said, now we can speak a little bit louder. Yeah, I don't see nobody on my back now. So we are in Phinizy Park. The entrance is free. I thought it was a national park, but it's a local park. A lot of families here, so that explains it why. So folks can come in with their little kids. There's a lot of small easy trails to walk around, and they can learn about nature in a relatively safe environment. There's some visitor center right in the middle of the park. However, because today is Sunday, I believe folks I think there's a forest ranger here, but outside of that I don't see any more. All the offices are closed. So yeah, unfortunately, that's it. I wanted to see if they have nature center so they can explain a little bit more and probably guide me a little bit better, because Old Trails is showing that this has a 2-mile trail. However, it's not properly marked, and there's some smaller trails in between. So I'm kind of confused as to where I was supposed to go. But I believe we're on the right path. Just a little bit deviating a little bit, but we are all together in the same trail. So I think down there you had to go around that I think it's a small lake or a swamp, part of the swamp itself. Some wetlands. There's a trail down here. Yeah, I see more folks in here. We're back into seems to be a nice spot for bird watching. Let's keep going. It's an observation deck. You cannot see too much here, but apparently it's just wild up here. Anyway. Okay, so these are ponds resembling swamps. They create cells so it can create topsoil to protect from erosion. All of this is man-made, so it makes it some sort of estuaries for all sorts of birds and other creatures. Very interesting stuff. We're close to the Savannah River, by the way. Very close to the Savannah River. I found this place because I was looking for a old bridge. So we have, long story short, I was looking at, while I was driving yesterday towards the other state park on the other side of the Georgia, I was looking at an old river crossing an old bridge crossing a river, I'm sorry. And basically I was looking at the name of that town, which is Oglethorpe. Sorry if I spell it incorrectly, if I enunciate incorrectly. Oglethorpe. And there's two Oglethorpes. One is the town and the other is a county. I think we're close to the county of Oglethorpe, which is close to South Carolina. So close to the towns of Augusta and Athens, south and northeast Georgia. And the other is Oglethorpe town, which is more or less close to the middle of Georgia, just halfway there. So both of them are totally different places. And I found a picture of this swamp, and this is what I found out the name. I found the whereabouts that this place did exist. Again, it's Phinizy, Phinizy, as nature park. It's a swamp and nature park. It is completely free. You live nearby, in between Georgia and South Carolina. It's a C-TOS near you. Highly recommended if you're coming here during winter time. A day like this, perfect place. I think it's gonna be nasty next week, but this week is picture perfect. Nice clear skies, nice day, small breeze, a little bit of breeze, a little bit of cold, but it's really nice to go out for a walk. You can wear a light jacket, just coming in for a walk. And that coming from me, I live in the Caribbean most of my life, and I'm wearing just a long pants and long sweater pants and a long sweater, a long sleeve sweater. So yeah, just that's coming from me. So if you live here all your life, you have never seen this place, come here. Again, it's Phinizy Swamp Park. It is totally free. You have kids, you have pets, I think you can bring them all in. Of course, clean after. Don't mess it for the rest of us. Please clean after yourself. Don't leave waste going around. So we can share that to the future generations. Your kids and the kids of your kids can enjoy this place. Anyway, with these awesome views, I will see you all on the next episode. Hopefully next week is not that bad. Next weekend is not that bad, and I will try to go to another place. That's it. So I'm gonna stay quiet now. From here on, yeah, if I see something else, I will share it with you. But with me talking, I'm just gonna wrap this here. Thanks so much for watching. Safe travels. Goodbye. So you had two options, the green trail and the blue trail. I'm gonna follow whatever All Trails tells me.